Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. Is your iPhone speaker volume too low during calls while watching videos or listening to music? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you several settings you should check to make your iPhone speaker louder and fix low sounds problem. Make sure to watch until the end because one of these solution could solve the issue. Let's get it started. First, open the setting app, scroll down and tap accessibility. Now tap audio and visual. Scroll down until you see balance. Make sure the balance slider is exactly in the middle. If it is moved too far to the left or right, one of your speakers may sound much quieter. Next, scroll down and tap Call Audio Routing. Make sure it is set to automatic. If it is set to Bluetooth headset or speakers, your calls may not play correctly to your iPhone speaker. Now go back to the accessibility menu. Tap hearing devices. If you don't use a hearing aid, make sure hearing aid compatibility is turned off. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. Make sure the volume slider is turned all the way up. This controls the volume for music, videos, games, and other media. While you're in the control center, also check that Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is turned off. If it is enabled, your calls and notifications may be silenced. If the speaker is still too quiet, go back to Setting, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, videos, or apps. It only resets your system settings, and this often fixes speaker issues caused by incorrect settings. Finally, inspect your iPhone speakers. Check the speaker at the bottom of the phone and the earpiece speaker at the top. If you notice dust or dirt, gently clean them with a soft brush or microfiber cloth or a wooden toothpick. Also, if you are using a thick phone case or a screen protector, remove it for a moment and test the speaker again, since some accessories can reduce the sound. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes your iPhone speakers proper. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to Pixjumps, and I'll see you in the next video.